Hello and welcome to this exclusive first look at the 50th anniversary version of The Wicker Man, now in glorious 4K. Right, here we go. How magnificent. Studio Canal have made many magnificent box sets of special editions of their films from their library. This is no exception. A brand new restoration here, 3 versions of the film, a myriad of extras and some treats inside. Let's take a look. A wonderful floral pattern here and the quote, "You'll simply never understand the true nature of sacrifice." Inside, some treats to behold, an advert for a candle, Wicker Man candle, that's fun. And here the future and the past meet together. The original poster for the Wicker Man for its 1973 release is here, fully restored. How resplendent, stark and original. And look, Richie Beckett's 50th anniversary artwork. Richie of course worked on the 40th anniversary too. Delighted to see him back for the 50th. Magnificent artwork. It covers the box too. Inside, if you're visiting Summerisle, you might like to send some postcards, because in all certainty you won't be returning from Summerisle. Fabulous to see those there. Now, a 64-page booklet with new essays from Justin and Dominic Hardy, Ritual author David Pinner, on which the film was based, one from myself there as well, and the editor of Den of Geek, Rosie Fletcher. And at the back, Katie J. Pearson and Friends, the magnificent musical tribute to the Wicker Man, which is exclusive to this box set. Now this comes packed with extras, legacy extras, but new ones too, revisiting the locations of the Wicker Man at 50, Robin Hardy's script, The Lost Ending, and an interview with Britt Ekland. Now inside 5-disc set, we have the 4K Ultra HD version of the final cut, and on the second 4K disc, the director's cut and the theatrical cut with special edition extras. Replicated here on the Blu-ray format, so you don't have to buy a 4K machine if you don't have one. All restored here in 4K. And look at this, Katie J. Pearson and Friends, a CD exclusive only to this magnificent box set. And we can see beneath the discs Diana Salento as Miss Rose, Christopher Lee as Lord Summerisle, and of course Edward Woodward as the ill-fated Sergeant Howie from the mainland. And on the back we can see the other star of the film, Britt Ekland as Willow, who worked in the pub, was the landlord's daughter. The film was restored by the folks down at Silver Salt Restoration UK from the original 35mm negative, and they spent over 500 hours fixing physical damages and sparkles, bits of dirt and so on. Now for collectors of the Steelbook, look at this, brand new artwork by Sophie Bland, who's done many great releases for Studio Canal and others. All of the same material that features on the original discs from the large box set is here. The additional paperwork isn't, of course, or the music CD. Look at the detailing and the characterisation there. Spectacular. Great work from Sophie Bland. Inside, of course, the same discs as we talked about before. And under the discs, we are being watched by the villagers who are always watching us on Summerisle. How wonderful. And how evocative of the film from 1973. Sophie's really captured a moment in time here with her design. So you have your choice of the large box set, the 5-disc set, with the booklets and the other material, and of course, the slim steelbook with the same features in both formats. Magnificent for collectors, brilliant for the 50th anniversary of The Wicker Man. And if you need more from The Wicker Man, then in October, late October, my book, The Wicker Man, the official story of the film, will finally be here, with new interviews and unpublished photos, images and artwork too. Now if you'd like to win a copy of my new book, The Wicker Man, the official story of the film, then simply subscribe to my channel here and comment below the video. Right, I'm off to pack my bags now. I'm off to Summerisle.
I have come here to investigate the disappearance of Rowan Morrison.
You suspect foul play?
I suspect murder.
The flame inside you, burn and burn and burn.
It is time to keep your appointment with the Wicker Man.
door!